What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 21 Scatty Daddy. Today we're going to be installing a new Petty's Garage strut tower brace. Alright, so here we have our strut tower bar. I got the single strut tower bar from Petty's Garage, painted in Sinamon Stick to match the car. The only tools we're going to need is just a little plastic prying tool to get those caps off of your strut towers, torque wrench for the strut bolts, and then I believe it's a 13mm socket. So let's go get under the hood and get the sucker on there. All right, so here's just a little before video. See, it just has the strut tower caps now, no strut bar with some Sinamon Stick accents. So this is the before. We'll see how it looks now once we put on that new brace. All right, first things first, just pop off your strut tower caps. I just use a little plastic prying tool. Go right here where it's recessed a little bit, and it'll just pop up. Then you should be able to grab it, and she pops right off. Next up, we're just gonna clean the base here, and then we're gonna take off the 3 nuts. All right, now that we got all 6 nuts off and it's clean, let's get this brace mounted on. All right, so we got these down. I torqued them just to 25 foot-pounds. You can see they're nice and centered, and the fitment is good. It's not touching that back firewall or the cowl there. So now we're just gonna put our strut tower caps back on, and we're all done. All right, guys, so that is it. We are all done. Took a total of about 3.5 minutes to put this thing on from start to finish. So that was perfect. As you can see, the paint matches really, really well. So looks like an exact match to me. So overall, I think it looks really nice. Just adds a little bit more color and a little bit something extra under the hood. So what I did like about this single one too is that it doesn't require any drilling. Nothing about it is permanent. So if you want to take it off, you want to sell it, whatever the case may be, it's super easy to take off just like it was to put on. So drop any questions or comments below. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.